Don't forget me when I'm gone, but I'm still fighting to carry I smile like nothing's wrong at all, but inside I'm bracing for the fall. I hide the cracks behind my grin, so no one sees the storm within. Demons knocking on my door, whispering things I can't ignore, but I keep walking through the night, 'cause God still holds me in His light. I'm scared you'll never know my heart, scared you'll miss the fragile parts, scared the weight will drown my voice before I ever make a choice. Don't forget me when I'm gone, don't think my work was ever done. I know that you are strong, so speak my name and carry on. Don't forget me when I'm gone, but I'm still here, I'm holding on. I know that you are strong, so speak my name and carry on. Some days I'm barely holding tight, but faith keeps pulling me toward the light. I pray for strength, I pray for peace, for just one moment of release. I wanna be the man you see, not the war that lives inside of me. I wanna stay, I wanna rise, but some days hope is in disguise. Don't forget me when I'm gone, don't think my work was ever done. I know that you are strong, so speak my name, carry on. Don't forget me when I'm gone, but I'm still here, I'm holding on. I know that you are strong, so speak my name and carry on. I'm not okay, but I'm not alone. I'm not lost even when I'm far from home. My God is near even when I fall apart. He holds the pieces.